How to fix the Google app not working on your Android smartphone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can fix if your Google app is not working correctly. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, there are a couple of reasons why the application couldn't be functioning properly when you just have updated your firmware, when you've installed a new software on your phone, and some of the reasons could be that due to the corrupted files and so on. However, if you've been using just fine before and you've not been able to use it now, then there are a couple of solutions which will hopefully let you work through it. The very first thing we will do is we'll simply go ahead and see if the Google app has an update available. So open up your Play Store, and in the search box you want to simply type in Google. Once you type in, let's say, Google, if the Google app has an update, go ahead and simply update it to the latest version. Now it depends on whether you're talking about Google or whether you're talking about Google Chrome. It really depends on what app. So in this we were talking about general Google apps, so you want to simply update it to the latest version. Once you've updated, if that fixes the issue, that's perfectly fine. If not, then we're going to long press on the Google icon and tap on this eye icon, and we'll be taken to this page. Over here we want to go ahead and select storage. As you select storage, you might want to clear cache. And if this doesn't fix, you can tap on the manage storage, and you can also clear all of the data of your Google app, which means that you will have to basically log into your account. If none of the solutions are working for you, simply check your internet connection, and lastly try to restart your phone. Hopefully one of these solutions may have worked for you. If it did work for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.